The planets in the Super Mario Galaxy movie are soon to be totally evaporated. Scientifically, these planets are just giant leaking gas tanks, and the proof is in their atmospheres, or lack thereof. In my last video, I calculated that this tiny planet here is only about 19 meters long and has a radius of about 9.5 meters. At this size, the planet's escape velocity is only 14 meters per second. However, oxygen molecules move at an average speed of over 400 meters per second. The only way characters would be able to breathe is if there is air coming from the planet itself. To hold oxygen, we need a planet to have a radius of about 350 kilometers. Even many of the larger planets in the movie fail this test. Looking at the planet the characters get trapped on, if you take a look at the blue glow, this signifies a layer of gas. If this were a 350 kilometer world, that atmosphere would be about 50 kilometers deep, and the weight of that much air on such a small sphere would create a surface pressure that would crush everything within it. So if the planets are too small to hold air, we're left with the fact that the galaxy is just a massive open-loop support system. Every one of these worlds is a venting pressure vessel constantly pumping out fresh oxygen to stay ahead of the leak. And this would require massive amounts of air. According to the choked flow equation, it would require about 270,000 kilograms of air to be released every second to hold a pressure similar to Earth's on the surface of this tiny planet. This means, even with this planet having an insanely high density to create gravity, the planet would lose all its mass in just over a year from all this leaking air. Therefore, this galaxy is less of a galaxy and more of a dying industrial complex.